Morning, dear children. Today I will tell you sorting. Clear? Sorting. So just before starting this topic, we will discuss here meaning of the sorting. Meaning of the sorting is what? Arrange the list in order. Arrange the list in order. Order कुछ भी हो सकता है, ascending और descending. क्लियर? सो हम लोग यहाँ पर किसी भी लिस्ट को सॉर्टिंग करना सीखेंगे, अरेंज करना सीखेंगे असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग में. सो माय डियर, सो definition of the sorting, what is the definition of sorting? Arrange the list in order. Arrange the list in order. Clear? So there are two types of the sortings given in your syllabus: selection sorting and bubble sorting. So one by one we will discuss here. देखो idea, sorting means what? Arrange the list in order, but methods given here selection and bubble. Sorting में सिर्फ arrange में करेंगे, but methods अलग अलग हैं. ओके, तो सिलेक्शन सॉर्टिंग क्या है, इसका अपना मेथड है असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग करने का. बबल सॉर्टिंग क्या अपना मेथड है असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग करने का. क्लियर? The sorting means arrange the list, but different methods are given here. So first method is what? Selection sorting. One by one we will discuss here. The selection sorting. Suppose one list is given here. Okay, ये list दिया हुआ है. One list is given here. In this one, different numbers I have already stored or written. Okay, so now I want to sort this list in ascending order using selection sort. So please pay attention. The function, please pay attention on the selection sorting functioning, please. So 7 numbers are already stored here. Clear? So now how will you do it? You can do with this one. First number you will take means first index, and that index you will compare with others. Clear? Suppose you have taken here 7 you will compare with the 9, then compare with the 1, then compare with the 2, and then compare with the 8. Clear? So what is the meaning of comparing? Yeah, what will happen when you will comparing? So suppose my dear, when you check here, if x0 is more than, if you want to sort in ascending order, then what will you check? You will check this location value is more than this one or not. If this one is more than this value, then you will swap it. What is the meaning of this one? Look here. Suppose here is 12. Here is 12. 7, 8, 12. Here is 12. Now, so what will happen? If x0, what is at x0? 12. Okay. Now you are comparing x0 with x1. x1, what is at x1? 9. So this condition is true. You can see here. This condition is true. This condition is true. This one. Because here is 12. 12 is more than 9. So then what will happen? This 12 you will remove from this location. How will you remove? You will take one variable t, and in that one you will write x0. So what is at x0? 12. 12 will go in t. Now x0 is empty. Then what? Now what will you do? Now you will put 9 here. How will you put? You will write here x0, because already x0 is empty. Now x0 equals to x1. So now what is at x1? 9. 9 will go at x1, x0. So now x0 पे आ गया 9, and where is 12? It is in t. So now what will you put? x1 पर 12 को ले जाएंगे. तो how will you put this one? You will write x1 equals to t, assignment t. So then you can see here कि our number will be swapped. So 12 will come at the 9 x1, and 9 will go at 7. But according to this number, this condition is wrong. Then if condition is wrong, so this swapping will not done here. Execute नहीं होगी. Means 7 और 9 change नहीं होंगे. Okay, so suppose this condition is wrong, then what will happen? Now x0 will compare with x2. x0 will compare with x2. Means x0 is what? 7. If condition is true, then 9 will go there. Okay, but condition is wrong, then 7 and 9 will not change here, because already 7 is less than 9. So then what will happen? x0 means 7 compare with the 1. x2 से ना compare होगा. So now this condition will be true. तो हियर जस्ट मैंने एग्जांपल दिया इसलिए 0 और 1 लिख दिया है. सो यू कैन चेक हियर दिस वन, you come in this one. Suppose you want to sort this one. So x0, I0, you take I0, okay, less than 7. भाई देखो मैंने less than 7 क्यों लिया? Look here. Suppose this one you have taken x0. x0 you are comparing with 1 to 7. Then x1 you will compare with 2 to 7. x2 compare with x3 to 7. ये rule है इसमें. When you will take x0, that one you will compare with x1 to last. Okay. When you will take x1, you will compare with x2 to 7. When you will take x2, then you will compare 3 to 7. ऐसे ही when you will take x3, compare with x4 to last. When you will take x4, 5 to 7, 5 then 6 to 7, 6 then only compare with 7. So no need to take 7 here, no need to take 7 because 8 is not given. So this loop will execute up to 0 to 6, but this for each location this will execute from 1 to 7. When you will take I0, so J will start 1 to last. When you will take I1, J will start from 2 to last. That's why I have taken here. You can see here I0 means this one indicating, and you come inside here. I have taken J equals to I plus 1. I plus means 1 means what? If I0, so J will be here 1. Same thing you want. This one is representing J, this one is representing I. Clear? So now, so you know now the working of the nested loop. कि एक बार अंदर आ गया तो पहले अंदर वाला चलेगा. सो I is 0. लुक हियर, ध्यान देना, I is 0. नाउ J will start from 1 to 7. So what will happen? Listen. Look here. J is, अब ध्यान रखना, I is 0, J is 1. अब J is less than 7, कंडीशन सही है. तो xi means what? x0 greater than xj means what? x1. So 7 is more than 9? No. So this part will not execute. This part will not execute. Then now it will go up to here. J के पास जाएगा. Now J will be here what? 2. तो अब देखो I is fixed here ना, because यहाँ नहीं जा रहा है. I is 0. x0 compare with x2. x0 पे क्या है? 7 है. x2 पे क्या है? 1 है. तो ये दोनों स्वैप होंगे. So देखो क्या होगा, xi means x0 means what? 7 will go in T, 7 will go in T. And xj is what? 2 means what? x2 means what? 1 will go in xi means what? 0, x0. तो x0 पे आ जाएगा तुम्हारा 1, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1. क्लियर? देन xj is what? या ध्यान रखना, j is 2 यानी x2 empty हो गया क्योंकि 1 ऊपर चला गया है. There what will you put? T is what? 7. So 7 will be here. तो 1 पे आ गया 7, ध्यान देना, और 1 आ गया टॉप पर. क्लियर? नाउ अगेन अब ये देखो 1 यहाँ पर है, ध्यान रखना, और 7 यहाँ पर है. क्लियर? अब देखो फिर x0, अभी देखो ये चेंज हो गया, उसके बाद फिर ये लूप यहाँ जाएगा. j will be here 3, j2 था, 3 हो गया. तो मीन्स व्हाट? I अभी नहीं चेंज हो रहा है, I0 ही है. तो I0 j3, तो x0 x1 x0 xi मतलब x0 पे क्या है? 1 है. कंपेयर होगा x3 पर क्या है? 2. कंडीशन सही नहीं होगी, फिर ये ऊपर जाएगा. अब J4 हो जाएगा, देन J5 होगा, J6 होगा, J7 होगा. अब कहीं पे कंडीशन सही नहीं होगी क्योंकि 1 ऊपर आ गया है. सो एक राउंड हो गया, मतलब x0 कंपेयर हो गया x1 से लेके लास्ट तक, एंड सबसे छोटा नंबर ऊपर पहुंच गया है. क्लियर? नाउ अब सेम प्रोसेस, ये एक राउंड हुआ। अब उसके बाद देखो क्या होगा, ये कंडीशन रॉन्ग, you will come out from this loop, then it will go up, I will be here, now I will be here 1, देखो इस मेथड पे आ गए, I1 हो गया। now I1 कंडीशन इज 7 लेस देन, कंडीशन इज 2 बिकॉज लेस देन 7 अंदर आ गया। फिर J कितना हो जाएगा, J हो जाएगा 2, J will be here 2 बिकॉज I plus 1, देख रहे हो ना x1 अब कंपेयर हो किससे स्टार्ट होगा, 2 से लेकर 7 तक। सो नाउ xi is what, I is 1, xi is 9, 9 compare with 7 because here is 7 na, xi means x1 is greater than xj, j is what 2, x2 पर क्या है 7, यहाँ 1 ऊपर चला गया, ध्यान रखना 7 है, तो 9 and 7 कंपेयर होंगे, कंडीशन विल बी ट्रू, सो 9 विल गो इन t, 7 विल गो इन एट x हियर, 7 यहाँ आ जाएगा और 9 आपका यहाँ आ जाएगा। क्लियर, ऐसे कम होता रहेगा। देन सपोज करो अब ये 7 यहाँ आ गया, 9 यहाँ आ गया, देन अगेन I will be here 1, तो x1 और what is at x1 7, 7 will compare with 2, सो फिर स्वैपिंग हो जाएगी, 2 यहाँ आ जाएगा, 7 यहाँ आ जाएगा, फिर x1 पे 2 हो जाएगा, अब 2 8 20 और 18 और 16 से कंपेयर होगा बट रिप्लेस नहीं होगा। सो यू कैन सी यार कि इस तरह से जब लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा सो फाइनली सारे नंबर्स ऑर्डर में आ जाएंगे। देन व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल प्रिंट दिस अरे, सो ये प्रिंटिंग मैंने लिख दिया है। सो अब नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू, हाउ विल यू कंप्लीट दिस प्रोग्राम, before this coding you will take one array and in that array you will store the numbers, then start this process. After storing the numbers in array you will write this one. First you will take any size array and store the number in that, okay, but suppose you have taken the size 10, so here you will write it less than 9 because अगर size 10 होगा तो लास्ट लोकेशन होगी 9 और 9 होगी तो आपको 8 तक ले जाना आई को, और ये तो पूरा 9 तक जाएगा अगर 10 साइज़ है तो साइज़ के अकॉर्डिंग ये इंक्रीज़ और डिक्रीज़ होगा। सो हाउ विल यू डू इट, तो फर्स्टली यू विल राइट द सॉर्टिंग, डेफिनेशन लिख लेंगे, अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए पूरा कॉपी पे लिख लेंगे इतना दूर। देन व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल राइट अ प्रोग्राम इन जावा टू स्टोर 10 numbers and sort it in ascending order using linear search method. Right, once again write a program in Java to store 10 numbers in one dimensional array and sort it using selection sort, sorry मैंने linear बोल दिया था, using selection sorting method in ascending order. Clear? Once again write a program in Java to store 10 numbers, okay, sort it the list in ascending order using selection sort method. So my dear, all of you do it. If any doubt you can call me. Thank you, God bless you.